What's up, you guys? Blue and I made it to another meet. So let's check out the car and all the other awesome cars too. We have another new sign for the car. Check out all the awesome builds that we got to park by. Blue is tucked away safe and sound in the garage, and I am back home to my little humble abode. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the cool cars and coming along with me to a car show. If you are interested in seeing more of what Blue and I are up to, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Comment down below what you want to see on the channel. And as always, thank you for tuning in to Brittany Bill, and we'll see you in the next video.